up. Make sure say when you post my video, you talk it through them when me talking. See somebody just tag say Kingmixup over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the Kingmixup. Make sure Kingmixup, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Okay, people, just like how we've been telling you, Spice was in serious complications after surgery in the Dominican Republic. You see me, I say? And here you have her sister confirming it. You know what I mean? So all of you dusty, rusty, crusties are going to get black because I wasn't praying for Spice, and that's probably why she not full 100 yet, because I shake you. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, like I said, people, this only confirms that the Dominican girls them was talking the truth about Spice being in serious complications after surgery in the Dominican Republic. You see me? Even TMZ blogger, radio person, or whatever, Ken Barbie, reported that Spice was in Dominican Republic with surgery. But this is what the sisters said. Jamaican dancehall star Spice remains under close medical supervision after she developed major complications following surgery in the DR. Split among DJ circles about whether to address the development publicly. Speculation about a musical stunt using illness is fake. And that's all because we is just a messenger and the whole world is watching us. And I did a review saying that, you know, Spice publicity stunt fails after surgery in the Dominican Republic, whoever the headline is, because that's what fans were saying in the comment section. So I addressed these people. I'm saying don't be mad at Spice, because that's not Spice activating her IG page as her team. You know what I mean? Because if she was so in this condition, she wouldn't be able to operate IG. You know what I mean? The home girl is just worrying about getting better. You see me? I said, but we did the headline, you know, Jamaican wants to cancel Spice because failed publicity stunt with this surgery business. And, you know, Mr. Vegas said, you know, Spice was tastefulness by promoting music in this time when the whole world was praying for her. You feel me? So this is why I think her family or her team went to this journalist and said that was false. You see me? I said, but nevertheless, let's proceed. They did say Spice is reportedly responsive, but in the early stages of her recovery from the condition, which had rendered her unable to leave the Dominican Republic for the United States. Turn of events following the surgery had resulted in the entertainer's close relative flying to the DR. And that's exactly what Amari said when she referenced the Claude guy article that initially stated that she was in the coma for 36 hours. You see me, I say my people, so we all know that something was wrong with Spice. We couldn't pinpoint what exactly, but we knew that it was severe. You feel what I'm saying? As in the scene, things unfold in front of you. You know what I mean? And this is why we're gonna block most of Uno from yes, because Uno just negative. You know what I mean? I don't need to stay on the negative channel, you see me? But anyway, people, just giving them updates, you know what I mean? I don't know what kind of recovery she's in. I don't know what type of surgery she's in. We will know all of that in the future. But right now, we don't know for sure for pray, like we've been saying for like the past week. You see me? I said that's all we have been doing over here is trying to keep the energy, positivity up. You see me? I said, so let's proceed to the next. And now, speaking about the queen, it's only right that we speak about the king. Yes, you know, says Spice and Vybz Kartel is king and queen of the dancer. You see me, I say, and the people them is speculating that he will be soon, anytime now, because he made a series of IG posts. You see me, I say, obviously on his next channel, you know what I mean? And he's saying things like anytime soon. You feel me? And we know what that means. Well, honestly, we don't know what that means because Vybz Kartel is a master of controversy. As I say, as you know, him and Spice have sung out now where him a sing and ting and ting. You know what I mean? So we don't know if he's posting these things just to, you know, boost the streams up. You see me, I say, and you know him have some gunman song or God and gun song. You see me, I say, so Like I said, he's a master of controversy, so we really can't call it. You feel what I'm saying? But we did know Lisa Everett said there's a major development in his appeals case. You see it, as you know, he did interview what day, him like the interview the other day with Lisa, you see me I saying? So we know say the Privy Council ready for hear his thing. You feel me? A lot of people is saying that they look like say Kartel John the Illuminati because they're all seeing eye business. We seeing that the picture. You see me? I say me people. Why oh boy. That's just Kartel for you, you know, but the people them a look on their watch. You see me I say it looked like a Rolex bust down, you feel me? But I could be wrong, you feel what I'm saying? Putting out the comment section. You see it. Why, Kartel I move hard in the jail now, rascal. You know, me trust me when water see them watch and ring them. You know what I mean? Them I ask Kartel how much cell phone you need for the month and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, cause trust me, me know I say them buy a house or two out of Kartel. You know what I mean? I say, you know, Kartel I pay more than the government, you know, but me just again them update what I go on from when I go on, you see me, I say. His sons are saying anytime soon, so I don't know if his new music video or his appeals case is about to be heard and he's about to be released. You feel me? Yeah, so anytime soon, you know, said January 2023 right around the corner, you know. You know what I mean? So maybe he'll be home in time for the holidays. You feel what I'm saying? The Christmas, maybe Thanksgiving, and possibly the New Year, you feel me? But we just giving them update while going from what I to go on as usual, putting out a comment section what you think about the situation. Do you think he's gonna win his appeal, or you think they're gonna, you know, deny his appeal and give him more years or just make him continue serve out the rest? Now I need to address this Slickianna case business, people. We all know that she was strangled the day it happened, because you know with social media detectives we be on it, you know what I mean, and we noticed that there was some black shoestrings around her neck and all of this stuff, so we already knew that she was strangled, you feel me. The blood that you seen on her head, a lot of people thought it was a gunshot, because you know when most people die in Jamaica and they're found with blood that leak out of them, and them think a gunshot, but I think that was her hitting her head on the rocks when they threw her into the sea. You know what I mean? Because you know them lava rock, like, them easy for cut people and bust things. You see me? I say so. When we see that the police them is just doing the autopsy now, we need to worry. You know what I mean? And it's really not their fault, because I think there's one person in the island that actually does these types of things. You know what I mean? And you know how much people dead and things. So we need more people to go into the autopsy field so we can speed up the process in the court. Because you know the court backlog and all of this stuff. But my thing is this, people. Anika dead a couple of weeks ago. I know them doing the autopsy. So I want to know if they did a rape kit test initially when they found the body. You know what I mean? I know they do DNA testing, because when Zeeks did shove him hood in the boy mouth and come and all of these things with semen and sperm, you know, they took DNA tests of that, you feel what I'm saying? So hopefully they did a DNA rape kit test on Slickianna, because some people are saying it's more than one killer. You know what I mean? It's more than one killer. You know, this person was accused of so many things, and you know his people around him was accused of the same thing. It's like a clique that goes around doing this ish to women. You know what I mean? Gangbang and all of this stuff allegedly. You see me I say, and it could have been, you know, fame turn for bring a girl in the circle for, you know, get gangbang and all of this stuff, you know. So, you know what I mean? I'm just thinking of all types of scenarios until this case is solved, you feel me? So yeah, I want to know if them do rape kit, you know what I mean? You see me I say, and if they took DNA samples from him, and if they're gonna match it, because obviously they're throwing out charges on him just to keep him there, to secure a solid case, because you just don't want to be charging people and then the evidence not solid, you know what I mean? So that's all I have to say on this Slickianna matter. You feel me? I like that to see that it's progressing with with the autopsy report, but time will tell. But anyway, people, man, I got long out this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips.